In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a line from a table in Google Docs. This is a helpful trick, especially when you want to customize the appearance of your tables without the hassle. So let's dive right in and break it down step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding. First, we're going to focus on selecting the border you want to remove. Begin by hovering your mouse over the border until you see a double-headed arrow appear. What you're looking for is a visual cue that lets you know you've located the line successfully. Once you see that icon, go ahead and click on the border. Upon clicking, you'll notice that the border changes color to blue. This indicates that the line is selected and ready for further action. Now, if you're working with multiple lines that you'd like to vanish simultaneously, there's an easy method for that too. Hold down the Control key if you're using a Windows computer or the CMD key if you're on a Mac. While holding the key down, you can click on additional lines that you also want to remove. This allows you to select multiple lines in one go, making the process efficient if you're handling a more complex table design. Once your desired lines are selected, it's time to modify their appearance. Look towards the toolbar that sits atop your document, where you'll notice various icons related to table editing. Find the icon that looks like three horizontal lines stacked atop each other. This is the border width icon. When you click on this icon, a drop-down menu is going to appear. This menu provides several options for border thickness. To make a line disappear, you'll be aiming to select the thickness of 0 pt. At this stage, after you've clicked on 0 pt, the line you selected will vanish, effectively removing the border from the table. It's a straightforward technique that can dramatically alter the look of your table, giving it a cleaner or more tailored appearance based on your needs. Remember, with each change you make, it's essential to review how the table looks to ensure it aligns with your document's overall aesthetic. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to remove lines from tables within Google Docs. Whether you're streamlining the table's appearance or focusing on design specifics, this method offers flexibility in formatting. Practice these steps, and soon enough, you'll be manipulating table borders in Google Docs like a pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other helpful Google Docs tips in our upcoming videos.